Hello everyone. Today I will prove an algebraic identity, that is y a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. y a plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. That's why, so a plus b plus c whole square means I have to draw a square. Okay. So this is a square. Okay. Now these are the three variables a, b, c, different variables. Okay. A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. A, B, C. So in this way, A, B, C. A, B, C. The same way, A, B, C. Okay. A, B, C. Now here I will join the lines horizontally and vertically. Okay. Okay. Now see, this is a square. Okay. A, B, C, all sides are equal. Okay. A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C whole square. Okay. Means how much space occupy in this figure. Okay. That is, we have to find the area. Okay. See, so see, if we draw a rectangle. Okay. Okay. Suppose this is 5 centimeter and this is 2 centimeter. Okay. 2 centimeter means 2 part. Okay. 5 centimeter means, because I have to draw squares. How many squares? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. One, two, three, four, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many squares? 10 squares. Okay. So what length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay. Breadth is 2 centimeter. So if the measurement of this area of this rectangle is very large, then we can draw the more squares. No, it cannot be possible. Okay. That's why, so to make it easier, so what do? We multiply to find the square of to find the area of the rectangle. We just multiply the length into breadth, length and breadth. So what is the area of the rectangle? That is 5 into 2, that is 10 centimeter square. Okay. Now see about square. Okay. Suppose this is a square. 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So square, length, area side square, and that is 1 centimeter square. Okay. See, in this way, in this figure, this is square, and this is square. Okay. See, A means length side into side, that is A square. Okay. This side B means this side also B. Okay. This is also B. B means B square. Okay. This is C means C square. Okay. Now see, what is the identity? That is A plus B plus C whole square equal to A square B square C square, means A square plus B square plus C square plus C. How many left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now see, this is B and this side is A. Okay. In this rectangle, this side is B and this side is A. So that is AB. This side is B and this side is A. That is also AB. This side is C, this side is A. That is AC. This side is B and this side is C. So C, that is AC. This side is this is square. This side is B and this side is C. So BC. This side is A, this side is C. So AC. So AB means 2AB plus BC, and this is not AC, this is BC. Okay, BC. BC and this is also BC. 2BC. Okay. Plus now last one is 2AC and this AC. So 2AC. Okay. See, so the algebraic identity what is the identity? That is A plus B plus C whole square by A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2CA. So I have drawn a square. How much space occupy in this figure? So I just divided. Okay, A, B, C, 3 variables, A, B, C. So in this way, so a rectangle, I have drawn a rectangle here. Suppose it is 5 centimeter. This is 2 centimeter. Okay, find I have found the, that is area of the rectangle. Okay, and this is square. So in this way, I have found here square, 3 square. Okay, A square plus B square plus C square, and 2AB, 2BC, 2AC. So in this way, this algebraic identity has proved. Okay, bye bye.